In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM account in GoodDay. We'll walk through this together from inside the GoodDay workspace, so make sure you're logged in before you start. Once you're on your main GoodDay screen, usually the My Tasks or dashboard view, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a small grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is often called the More icon or the App Launcher. Go ahead and click on that 9-dot icon. This opens a panel with different modules and tools that GoodDay provides. Take a moment to scan through the options so you're familiar with what's available. Among these, you'll see an option labeled CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and this is where you'll manage accounts, contacts, and other customer-related information. Next, click on the CRM option. GoodDay will then switch you into the CRM area. Depending on your setup, you might see an overview page, a list of existing accounts, or a prompt to create a new one. What we're interested in is adding a new CRM account, which usually represents a company, client, or organization you work with. Look for a button or link that allows you to add or create a new account. Once you click that, you'll be presented with a form where you need to fill in the account details. Take your time here. Start with the basic information, such as the account name and any other required fields that are marked as mandatory. These might include things like account type, industry, or region, depending on how your GoodDay workspace is configured. If there are optional fields, think about which ones will actually help your team later. For example, adding a website, a general contact email, or notes about the relationship can make it easier for others to understand the context. Try to be clear and consistent with how you name accounts, especially if multiple people will be using the CRM. After you've entered all the information, follow the on-screen prompts to move forward. GoodDay may guide you through confirming your details, saving the account, or even suggesting related steps like adding contacts, activities, or tasks linked to that account. Simply continue to click through these prompts, reviewing the information as you go, until you reach a confirmation, or you can clearly see the new account listed in your CRM. Once the account is created, you're ready to start using it as a central place to track interactions, projects, and key information for that customer inside GoodDay.